Right then, I hope you're doing well. What we're going to cover this week is a recipe from the Ottolenghi flavour cookbook, and it's very much inspired from the broccoli and mushroom ketchup and nori. So that's what it should look like there. And it comprises of 3 different sections here. You've got your broccoli, which you're going to infuse with garlic, and you're just going to almost just tenderly char that. Purple sprouting broccoli is the best, if you can get hold of it. And then we're going to make the mushroom ketchup, which is absolutely amazing. It's a flavour bomb. And this is what I absolutely love about this recipe. You've got your broccoli almost on a bed of mushroom ketchup, and then you've got a lovely topping which adds the crunch. So I'm going to put the ingredients down here. So you need quite a lot of broccoli, and I'm going to use a combination of purple sprouting and tender stem. I'm going to use some shiitake mushrooms, then also some dry porcini or shiitake dried wild mushrooms. I'm going to use some garlic, tomato puree, date molasses, brown dark miso, mushroom IPA from Funked, really good. Some nori seaweed sprinkles as a garnish. I'm also using some of the leftover mushrooms and pulp which I've made from the Umami demi glaze. Really good recipe this, please check that out here. Raw apple cider vinegar. And then to garnish this, I'm going to use some of the very famous Japanese sashimi togarashi, which is absolutely amazing. If you don't have this, just use some white sesame seeds. And then some crispy fried shallots, which I've made. Please check out the recipe here, which is oil free. Some crushed chilies, and that's it. So let's get going. Boom. So the broccoli's finely done, it's just nicely charred. It smells absolutely amazing with the garlic. It's absolutely amazing with this funked Lion's Mane IPA. Please check out the review of my Hibbs Happy Hour. I've done a review of this, it's absolutely fantastic. And it's alcohol free. So what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to make a bed of the puree, like so. And then I'm just going to layer broccoli across, like so. Finally, I'm going to give it a really nice garnish with to be crispy shallots and some of the chilies. You can even give it a sprinkling with some of the nori seaweeds as well. Absolutely superb. And here we have it, the charred purple broccoli with an umami mushroom ketchup and with a bit of a nori seaweed sprinkling and a Japanese seasoning as well. This has been really inspired by Ottolenghi and also Dr. Gregor cookbook as well to convert this into a whole food plant-based. Absolutely brilliant, just check that out. The presentation, an absolute flavour bomb. Great side dish, great part of a meze. Really hope you're enjoying the show. Please do subscribe, lots of love and passion going into this. Also check out my other playlist, vegan side dishes. Enjoy everyone, take care.